So I'm right here in the Governor Gore's bird sanctuary, and there's a pond, and then you can see there's lots of green turtle. I am the only one. It's Sunday, and this is less travel. As a matter of fact, this is near. It is very close to the plot. I'm staying here in Savannah, and but you see the signage on the road. So Governor Gore's bird sanctuary, and there's a natural pond surrounded by vegetation, mangroves, right? And then right here you see lots of green turtle. As a matter of fact, they started swimming close to me because they saw I'm here. So far, they have no food, and I thought feeding may not be allowed out. It's a blessing in disguise. I don't have a bread. But anyway, so here they are. These are the green turtles. And Cayman Island, I'm here in the Grand Cayman. Uh, they're known for turtles, aside from Cayman. Right? As a matter of fact, I know many people wouldn't like this. The national dish of Grand Cayman Island is turtle. They don't eat, as far as I know, they don't eat get directly from the wildlife. Okay, on the other side of the city, pass by the West Bay, there is a turtle farm. So when they feed turtle, and that's as far as I know, that's where the source of they farm turtle for human consumption. Right, it's a national dish. So here there's lots and lots of turtle. There's fish, and apparently, since this is a bird sanctuary, I have not seen any bird yet, but I'm seeing here dragonflies and lots of turtles. Mangrove. It's a very small place, right? There is a boardwalk. It's a pond, and it's covered by right. That's the boardwalk, and then there you see the green turtle there. Right. Yeah, lovely. The first time I've seen green turtle when I was in Costa Rica. Oh, there's one more turtle approaching me. Nothing was here a while ago, but they started going close here because I am right here. Right, here's a boardwalk, and this is within the neighborhood. It's pretty neat, and of course the temperature tremendously goes down because of the foliage. And there's birds. And there's a gate. You have to keep the gate closed, open to the public from dusk to dawn. And these are the birds. I didn't see anything at all, considering this is a bird sanctuary. It's Governor Gore's Pond. This says right here, this first freshwater wetland is fed by an underground spring. The vegetation around this pond is cattails, smokeweed, barnwood with some sedges and grasses. The site is used by species freshwater habitat, high-billed crab, least bittern, and this common American moorhen, American coot, purple gammon are big here. Right, currently I did not see anything at all, just turtles. Right, let's go out. So here, this is the boardwalk, and there's a gate. You want to make certain that the gate is closed to avoid the intrusion of the dog. All right, I am here at the Governor Gore's bird sanctuary here in Savannah. Once again, traveling is not arriving to your destination. It is looking at the world in a different perspective. Give a smile, and the world will smile at you. Cheers. We say bye and God bless from the Grand Cayman. There you go. That's the Governor's School, the bird sanctuary. Found it. The bird sanctuary. This is the Governor's School. Let's see. I think it's close. I know. can access that. The patrons choose this facility at their own risk. This property is open from dusk to dawn every day of the year. This property is not to be used. Garbage should be disposed. No fires are allowed on the property. Okay. So, invasive plants. Access. Okay, so you want to make certain that the gate is closed to avoid neighborhood dog. There you go. There is a boardwalk. Pretty neat. Governor's Gore Pond. Where's the pond? There's no water. Oh man. Mangroves, they are thirsty. But anyway, there's a lot of fish. Freshwater wetland is fed by an underground spring. There's no spring. These are the variety birds. Let's see. Let's move on. Boardwalk. It's a Sunday. Oh, there's a pond. There you go. There's a pond. Not a heck of a lot of water. Right. Nice. Oh, there you go. There's a sitting area. That's pretty neat. Yeah. There's dragonfly. Oh, there's turtle. Yay! There's 2 turtles. Oh, sorry, I don't have food. These are the green turtles, right? Fish. So I'm here in the Governor's Gore's Marines Bird Sanctuary. There's 3 turtles. There's 3 green turtles. Lovely. There's a pond and it's very neat. There is a boardwalk. Yeah, there's a fish. There's a sitting area. And there's 3 turtles waiting for food in mangroves. Let's see. Right. Yeah, there's another turtles there. Lovely. There's another one. Green turtles. Yeah, it's a gift. Alright. There's one more. Is that a turtle approaching me? Looks like another turtle. I don't know. Yeah, it's a turtle approaching me. Let's see. Yes, it's a turtle because they saw there's people here, they can feed them. Right. Yeah. There's plenty of turtles. Oh wow. Lovely. I'm right here, Governor's Gore.